Thank you, Robin. Good morning. I'm Ashley Badgelia, and I will be speaking to you about a few of our survey demographics. These demographics help lay a foundation to identify obstacles facing women and minority-owned businesses. In these surveys, there are 612 total survey respondents, with only 207 respondents answering as the owner or on behalf of the owner. Out of 207 participants, which the racial demographics are on the bottom left, 46% identified as Black or African American. If you will look at the top right of the slide, when asked about the gender identity of the owner, 67% identified as women, 16% identified as men, and 14% chose not to answer. Lastly, on the bottom right, you will note that the top two responses for business ownership show 56 of the businesses are owned by women, and with 37% of those being owned by minority women. Next, Jasmine is going to break down even more of our survey demographics. Jasmine?
Thank you, Ashley. Good morning. I am Jasmine Giddens, and I will be giving an overview of the ages of businesses as well as identifying businesses that are brick and mortar. What is a brick and mortar business? A brick and mortar business is one that operates from a physical storefront as opposed to other retailing methods such as online shopping. This slide contains the number of brick and mortar businesses from both surveys. The left side of the graph shows the number of businesses throughout the years, which are shown on the bottom of the graph. As we can see, there are a high number of businesses which are less than 10 years old. I also explored the target population for businesses. For example, businesses that sell to other businesses is represented in dark blue. My research found that a majority of brick and mortar and online sell to other companies. It is interesting that online second majority sold to customers, while brick and mortar second majority sells to both. As internet use has grown, online stores have taken a larger share of consumer dollars. Therefore, it is important to identify and give recognition to brick and mortar businesses. Along with ascertaining businesses that were brick and mortar, I have identified how long they have been established. As revealed on this slide, more online businesses were started in 2015 with a total of 39. The year 2010 is close behind with a total of 11. Since 2010, global e-commerce sales have increased worldwide thanks to technological advancements, which have allowed small businesses to reach a broad range of consumers. Now that I have provided some insight of the numbers and types of business, I will now turn this presentation over to our next team, Phil and Chanel.